Are you tired of that constant ringing in your ears? You're not alone. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement designed to support ear health and help reduce tinnitus symptoms at the root, not just cover up the noise. This formula combines over 20 herbs and vitamins carefully selected to support healthy hearing. Some of the key ingredients include Ginkgo biloba to improve blood circulation in the inner ear, hawthornberry to reduce inflammation, garlic extract to protect against oxidative stress, and zinc and B vitamins to support proper nerve function. Users who took Quietum Plus consistently for 90 days reported gradual improvements, including reduced ear ringing between 60 and 90 days, clearer hearing, better sleep, and less ear pressure. Scientific research backs several of its ingredients. A 2022 study showed that Ginkgo biloba improved tinnitus symptoms in 70% of participants. Zinc deficiency has also been linked to hearing issues, and garlic is rich in antioxidants that protect delicate ear structures. To use it, take 2 capsules daily with meals. Consistency is key. Most users see noticeable improvements after 4 to 6 weeks, with full results around 3 months. It's recommended to avoid loud environments and manage stress during this period for better outcomes. Quietum Plus is produced in an FDA-registered facility and is generally well tolerated. Some users report mild digestive discomfort during the first week or a slight headache, but no serious side effects have been reported. It's important to buy only from the official website to ensure product authenticity and safety. Avoid purchasing from Amazon or eBay, as those may be counterfeit. The official site currently offers free shipping on orders of 3 or more bottles, a 60-day money-back guarantee, and a bonus ebook with your purchase. Quietum Plus is one of the most complete natural supplements available for tinnitus relief. With real results, scientific support, and a risk-free trial, it's a promising option for anyone struggling with persistent ear ringing. Click the link in the description to order directly from the official website and take the first step toward restoring peace and quiet.